In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple OneDrive accounts on a single Windows 10 computer. Whether you're juggling personal and work accounts or sharing your device with family members, this guide will help you seamlessly manage different OneDrive accounts on your system. Let's dive right in, shall we? First, let's focus on setting up your primary OneDrive account, assuming you haven't done this already. You need to open OneDrive on your Windows 10 computer by searching it in the taskbar. Once you've found the app, click to open it. A setup screen will pop up, asking you to sign in. Here, you'll enter the email address that corresponds to your primary OneDrive account. After you've entered your email, click Sign In to proceed. Shortly after signing in, you'll be prompted to choose the folders you want to sync. Take a moment to review and select the folders most important to you, or simply include everything if storage space isn't a concern. Now that your main account is set up, it's time to bring in those extra accounts. This is particularly useful if you have a business account or multiple personal ones. Open OneDrive again, but this time, look carefully at the bottom left corner where you see the cloud icon. Right-click on this icon, which will then prompt you to select Settings from a list. After doing this, a new window titled Microsoft OneDrive should appear. Here, you'll find various tabs, including one marked as Account. Click on it to display options related to account management. You should see a button that says Add an account. Clicking this will open another sign-in window. Here, just as you did for your primary account, enter the email address associated with your second OneDrive account and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once you've signed in with your additional OneDrive account, you'll notice each account runs separately with its own folder on your computer, making it easy to identify which files belong to which account. If you face any challenges synchronizing folders, double-check the tab labeled Choose Folders. This tab allows you to manually select which folders to sync, ensuring you're synchronizing exactly what you need from each account. Additionally, if ever you wish to remove an account, return to the Account tab under OneDrive Settings and simply click on Unlink this PC to disconnect the account. It's always a good idea to periodically check for any OneDrive updates to ensure optimal performance and security. Keeping your application updated guarantees seamless interaction across all your accounts. By following these steps, managing multiple OneDrive accounts on your Windows 10 computer becomes a breeze. I hope you've found these instructions straightforward and helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to dive into the comments section. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your files safe and organized.